Twinkies are packed into small bags using a flow wrapper and then conveyed to a sorting system. A robotic arm rhythmically picks up the small bags of Twinkies and arranges them in a 4x2 formation at the incoming conveyor of the cartoning machine. The cartoning machine's suction device simultaneously picks up and opens a carton from the box holder. After snack bags is side-loading into the carton, the machine's folding and gluing mechanism automatically applies glue and seals the carton. The carton has easy-to-tear design, convenient for consumers. The sealed boxes are then stacked in a 7x2 arrangement and pushed into a horizontal opening box. The outer box is automatically picked, opened, and folded by a box folding machine. The outer box is automatically transported to a sealing machine to complete the packaging process.